What am I doing today? It's winter time and it's time to take care of my bees. It's nearly June and it's getting very chilly outside. So generally in the winter, you want to just leave the brood box there so that all the bees can hunch together and warm themselves up during the chilly months. I've got supers on mine at the moment. I need to take those out, store them for the winter, and then give them back to them when it starts heating up, maybe in September. So let's get dressed. Let me show you all the equipment that I use. All set, smoke is prepped, just need to start that up. We've got something, I need to go and get a table, put it near the bees. So let me go and do that, and let's start. Right, the hive opener, always a brush. I've got a very soft one to brush the bees away, and just in case we need the rest of the tools, I'm going to put the beehives supers back on here. So go to the end one, just go to the front. Right, there's no bees on that. Gosh guys, I hope my bees haven't all disappeared. What you do is you just smoke them in, encourage them to go back in, and then close the lid. The ones that are on the grass, they will come back here. One hive done. Maybe I should just show you inside here. There you got the entrance, and you can see here they're pretty active. A lot of bees, a lot of comb at the ends. There is the honey. Let's close that again gently, guys. Come in. All right, let's look at the other one. Open from the back. It's going to be pretty busy at the top here. I'm going to take the extruder off. So it's a queen extruder. They are now attacking me. So let's just take this off, just for me to be able to clean it. Okay, I need to smoke them. They're coming all over the place. Come on guys, just calm down. Everything will be fine. All over my camera. Sorry, excuse the shakes on the camera. Right, so here it is. Yeah, they are busy. You can see inside there. It's a decent hive here. Alright, so I'll just take care of that mess. This one here, guys, has not been productive for 3 solid years. Okay, I can see why. Oh my word. There are hive beetles in here. I'm going to start from scratch on this big hive. Right, let's see what we've got here. So here are the bees. Not brood, just honey. And the guys are just clustering to it empty. This is a bad sign. This is a hive beetle here. That's it there. Can you see? Right, let's kill them. Squash them. They're pretty easy for me to squash, but for the bees to kill, it looks like impossible. There you go. Another one getting attacked. That's awesome. Right, guys, we're all going for a walk. We're going to the garden. We are going to go and take it all out. So you do this just to let the bees move down. There we go, all move down, close up, and I'm gonna have to pack up. Okay guys, job done until spring. I'm on the way now to go and see if my homemade hive beetle traps are working. Let's enter the hives. No, no, it did not. That was supposed to catch the hive beetles. Why? Because hive beetles have got claws on their legs. And as they walk over that, it gets stuck and they can't get out. But look at what the bees have done. So they've taken these strips. Here they are, removing it out of the hive, throwing it out in small little chunks. Look at this. They have been removing the cloth bit by bit, and that has sapped their energy. So I need to go and get the exact right cloth. I have now ordered hive beetle traps, the proper one, where you put oil in and where they actually fall into. So we're going to try that next. And that's it. For me, it's goodbye.